there. This is we're reviewing chapter 1. Look at number 7. It says, write the highlighted digits, place, and value. What number is highlighted? 9. What place is it in? What is it? 100. So I have to write that first. Hundreds. Now, what value does it have? 9. So I write the number that's highlighted. Okay. Right number that's highlighted, and it's 900. Okay. Look at 8. What place is a 3 in? 10. Because it's always ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So what's the value of the 3? 30. Just take the number that's highlighted and put a 0. 30. What value is the is a 5?
Thousands.
What place again? Thousands, correct. Thousands. Now, what value does it have? 5,000. So I just write the 5 and how many zeros?
3.
3. Now, number 10 says, write the number in standard form. By the way, standard form is this. This is standard form. So I have 300 plus 40 plus 7. What number am I writing? 3, 4, and 7. So I'm basically just crossing out the zeros, right? And putting the numbers together. Now look at number 11. It says 2,622. Okay. I have 2,000, so that's going to be a 2 with a comma, then 622. Okay, that's standard form. Expanded form it's all the plus signs with the zeros. That's not what they're asking. Now look at number 12 and number 12. It says write 3,651 in expanded form and word form. How do I write expanded form? Okay, 3,000. How do I write that? So it's 3, 0, 0. I already have the plus sign there. Then what else? Plus 600. Plus 30. That's not 30. Plus 50. Plus 1. Okay, then number 13 says a word form, right? That means also we're going to have to write all the words out. And it looks something like this. Watch. There you go, right there. So in word form, it's like this. $3,651. That's in word form. Now look at 14. I need to use greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, look at the numbers in the hundreds place. How are they the same?
Yes.
So one number that I'm going to be looking at in the tens place. So I have a 6 and a 9. I have a 6 and a 9. What sign am I going to use? So if I use greater than, you're saying that 6 is greater than 9. No, it's going to be less than because 6 is less than 9. Less than. Less than. Look at 15. What sign am I going to use? Equal, because they're the same, aren't they? And 16. So greater than. Well, I looked at the thousands place. Those numbers are the same, right?
Yeah.
So what other numbers I want to look at? In the hundreds. Look at 6 and 5. So now I know that 6 is greater than 5. So then I use the greater than sign. Look at number 17. It says round to the nearest tens, right? One of them in the 10th place. I like to put a little X right there. Am I working with the 4 yet? The one on the left? No. Looking to the right, what does the 4 say? Look at the chart on the wall, stays the same, A stays the same. And replace these two numbers with? The other 4 with? 0. Look at number 8, 18. What number is in the 10th place? 5. I like to put an X there so that way it tells me whether I'm going to add 1 or it stays the same. Okay, am I working with a 2 yet? No, I can put that one down. Look at them to the right, what does the 9 say? Add 1, so what's 1 plus 5? 6. And replace the 9 with? 0. Now, 19, 712, what number is in the 10th place? 1. Obviously, it's kind of easy because they tell you already. It's in the these boxes right here tell you at the top. Okay, am I working with a 7 yet? No. Looking over to the right, what does the 2 say? The 1 stays the same. And replace that 2 with? 0. Okay, now it says round the numbers to the nearest tens and hundreds. All right, what number's in the tens place? Well, there's 3 of them. Which one? The one in the middle one, right? That one. Am I working with a 5 and a 3 yet? No. Now looking over to the right. What does that 3 say? So the 3 in the tens place stays the same. And replace that to the other 3 with? 0. Now it says round to the nearest hundreds. What number's in the hundreds place? 3. The first one here. Am I working with a 5 yet? No. Okay. I'm not working at thousands yet. Look number to the right. What does the 3 say? So that 3 stays the same. And replace these 2 numbers with? 0. So if I round 5,333 to the nearest tens, I get 5,330. If I round it out to the nearest hundreds, I get 5,300. Now we can do 21. All right, it says round to the nearest tens. What number's in the 10th place? 8. That's going to put a little X right there. Am I working with a 2 and a 7? No. Now looking to the right, what does 7 say? Add 1, so what's 1 plus 8? 9. And replace this 7 with? 0. Okay. Now it says round to the nearest hundreds. What number's in the hundreds place? 7. Put a little X there. Am I working with a 2 yet? No. Looking to the right, what does the 8 say? Add 1. I'm just looking at my chart. So 1 plus 7 is? 8. And replace these 2 numbers with? 0.